The birthday list begins with a smiling Riley Jane Oakley. Riley Jane, a very happy 7th birthday to you. I want you to know these birthday wishes, kiddo, that come from Grandma.
And a very happy birthday to Kyra Baker in Pittsburgh, also celebrating the big number 7. Happy birthday, Kyra.
We've got a sweet 16 in Parsons, Brianna Bugner. Brianna, have a great, great birthday.
And another big one here for JJ Best in Chitopa, turning 18 years old. Congratulations, JJ.
Over the weekend, Whitney Robinson, she celebrated her 28th birthday. Whitney, have a great day, a great week. She's in Neodesha.
And I'm gonna go off script here for just a second.
Yeah, I like that.
Yesterday was my older brother Benjamin, his birthday, and he turned 30.
Happy birthday, Benjamin Dodge.
Yeah, happy birthday, Ben. And then we'll go ahead and go on to Kyle Street, turning 32 years old in Carthage. Happy birthday, Kyle.
D-Bond, celebrating number 50. D, a very happy birthday to you in Riverton. Look at the smiles, matching smiles right there.
That's
How great is that?
Very cool. And a very happy birthday to Patricia Hall, turning 71 in Pittsburgh.
All right, now humor me just for a little bit, because I got a great story here about Dan and Darlene Mahan as they celebrate their 30th anniversary in Joplin. But 30 years ago, when they went to go get hitched, they couldn't find a pastor.
All right.
There's nobody there.
Yeah, that'd make it difficult.
Well, Dan and Darlene, we're talking about true love here, because they're like, look, if we've waited this long, we're gonna look for somebody to get us married. 90 minutes it took them. 90 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, the pastor was inside the church the entire time.
Okay.
Church was locked, and the good pastor, he was vacuuming the carpet and didn't hear anybody knocking.
Got to make sure it's clean before the big day.
Right. He forgot about Dan and Darlene. We did not. And eventually, he answered the door right there in his work clothes. Told he had jeans and cowboy boots. He got him hitched.
Nice.
Right there in the church. 30 years later, what a wonderful story to share. Dan and Darlene, congratulations. And I'm happy the pastor finally answered the door.
Yeah. It's a good deal. And a very big congratulations to Dawn and Mary Smith, celebrating their 41st anniversary in Walnut.
Now, while the Smiths were getting married, you know what else happened? Dave and Cindy Ashmore.
Yeah.
They celebrated an anniversary as well. Congratulations to Dave, Cindy. I do not think Casey Wolf officiated that wedding.
I mean, that would be really interesting.
I am going to say
that'd be great. Another great story.
The Wolf did not. Ashmores are in armor. And maybe that's what the Mayhans should have done. They should have been like,
find a mascot somewhere.
Find a mascot. Make sure he's in good standing with the church.
Yeah.
Call it good.
Get one of those internet officiations going.
I don't know what kind of racket you're running over there, Dodge.
I don't know. Very happy birthday to Jared Dietz in Pittsburgh.
And get this. Gerald and graphic artist Will York's grandfather, Gerald York, he is celebrating number 86. Mr. York, a very, very happy birthday to you. Mr. York is in Pittsburgh.
Very happy birthday to Neva Qualls in Columbus and to Mr. Kim Wilson as well.
Michael Lawrence Haggerty. You get the full name.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, Michael, very happy birthday to you in Frontenac. I wonder if when we use the full name like that, it doesn't perk up, because it sounds like Mom coming after you, right?
Yeah.
Michael Lawrence.
Like Michael's in trouble.
Happy birthday, Mike. Archie Wallace, celebrating number 74. Archie is in Fort Scott. Paul and Mila Yeager. They're celebrating their 46th anniversary. Congratulations to the Yeagers in Columbus, and John and Vicki Johnson. They are celebrating 24 years of wedded bliss. Congratulations to John and Vicki as they celebrate in Cherokee. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this August the 2nd. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to the website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here is Zach Dodge with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses too. So go to KUAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KUAM Birthday Club today.